Family offices do talk about digital assets, but you have to remember right now, it's a very, very small percentage of most family offices. The ones that were in it originally really understand it. They've already made a lot of money, so they understand the background. A lot of others still feel it's kind of Charlie Munger from Berkshire. He said he wouldn't do it. He doesn't think it's right. JB Diamond doesn't think it's right. But let's say Bitcoin for this year is up 150%. It's up 14% this month alone. So there are a lot of big players in it now. PayPal has their own form of Bitcoin or currency. You got to take a look at the fact that now the Bitcoin and the other coins are about 1/12 what gold is from a market cap standpoint. It's here to stay. It's becoming more worldwide. The SEC in January, because of a court case that was brought, it's going to have to probably allow them to have ETFs. So ETFs probably will be available, I'd say, by the end of the first quarter of next year, which I think then will just cause a further rise in the price of Bitcoin and the other coins that are out there. So I think it's here to stay for now, unless there's some other regulatory matter. The other thing that appears to be fueling it is the large deficits of the federal government, which have been 5 to 6%. So if we continue along that path, I think Bitcoin's going to continue to do well. If the government actually gets their act together and actually starts balancing the budget, I think then it could take a little bit of a dip in value. But by then, you don't know what the momentum is going to be, because the ETFs and everything else that's out there is going to change the current playing field. So I think it's going to be here. It's here to stay. There are a lot of very famous investors in it, Ray Dalio and others who really believe in it. So I think it's not going to go away unless there's some type of regulatory oversight to it that's going to crush it, which I don't think is going to happen.